Do a bit of a run around and check a few of these vehicles early this morning before the suns get in. One thing I wanted to have a bit of a chat about is new vehicle warranty. My goodness, this is the biggest golden goose egg and the most confusing section of the world I've ever seen and heard. I get that many calls every day in our shop for people asking questions from suspension to whatever, even though we're diesel experts. And it's all about warranty, and people are shit scared about their warranty being void by the dealer and being warned. Now when the dealer sends out the lovely lady to sell you the mag wheels and the seat protection and everything else, they'll cover everything under warranty. When it's, oh, we didn't sell it to you, another shop made some money out of it, oh no warranty sir. And just to get into a dealer now and actually get them look at something, our own VW is an example, even our D-Max is an example. You go into the dealer, oh, we're going to charge you $150 inspection fee. I mean, dealers, it's illegal. You're doing the wrong thing by your customers, and it's illegal. It's illegal practices, but because it's in a grey area, well, you can get away with it and do what you want. But be warned, we just tell everybody about it every day. They've got consumer rights, and they can certainly get stuck into things when they need to. But you've got to push the buttons with the dealer and get heavy with them. You can't sit back and be submissive. You've got to play it hardball. Get online, do some research when you've got a problem with a vehicle, print all the paperwork out, take it in with you to the dealer when you go in there and threaten them. You'll get onto the ACCC and get some action done. See more of these videos on things about diesels and your consumer rights from time to time. Look us up at berrimadiesel.com. You can find out more about looking after your diesel correctly.